TikTok marketing tips for small businesses. So hello everyone, so in this video I'll be giving tips right here for your small business and TikTok. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're planning to use TikTok for your small business. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here are the top 10 marketing tips right here for TikTok. So first is by being authentic. So with so much noise on TikTok, it's important to be authentic and stand out with your content. You don't want to post videos that sound like sales pitches. That's not why users are on TikTok. TikTok users want to be entertained or informed, not sold to. Next is by going live. So one way to build human connection with your audience is by taking advantage of TikTok's live feature, which let creators connect directly with followers through a live stream. Moving on is getting the gear. Of course, videos should be filmed in high quality. Videos should be filmed directly from the TikTok app on a smartphone. You got access to a bunch of beauty filters and light options in an app, which can make up for subpar lighting. Next is by keeping it simple. Just like you can't pack an entire novel into a tweet, you can't fit an entire movie into a TikTok. So to keep content digestible, your video should be short and sweet and of course straight to the point. Next is connecting in the comments. So TikTok's discovery algorithm is amazing at getting your video in front of potential followers. But that's only half the battle. Once the algorithm grabs someone's interest, it's your job to reel them in. So do things such as responding to comments. This will allow you to gain loyal followers and of course gain a massive following if the viewers feel like they're part of the video. Next is consider accessibility and legibility. So there's a reason you see successful TikTok creators bake in titles at the start of their videos. If you're scrolling through their profile, it's an easy way to get a preview of what's to come. You can use colored titles to help categorize your videos in an effort to help direct viewers to content they might be interested in and boost viewership. Next is take advantage of features. So TikTok always pumps out new features such as animated GIFs, stickers, titles, and new filters are among some of the most popular TikTok upgrades. So while the algorithm is kept secret, you can focus on using these new tools to keep your feed looking fresh for your audience. Next is posting consistently. So many creators have seen amazing results from sticking to a posting schedule. So we suggest posting 1 to 2 times each day and go live a couple of each times a week. So this cadence keeps your content fresh and interesting without overloading your followers with videos. Next is experimenting with TikTok stories. So TikTok stories are giving brands another name or another way to experiment with ephemeral content, mirroring the success of Instagram stories and Snapchat. The short-lived format is perfect for sharing candid behind-the-scenes moments or dropping hints about an upcoming product launch. Then lastly is monitoring your TikTok analytics. So to keep tabs on your TikTok performance, keep a close eye on the app's built-in analytics by simply clicking on the profile tab, hit the hamburger menu in the top right, and select Creator Tools, then Analytics. It's a treasure trove of insights right at your fingertips where you'll find data on your posts, views, profile views, likes, comments, shares, traffic, search queries, and more. It's all neat organized into different sections like overview, content, viewers, and followers. So those are pretty much it. The tips, marketing tips for small businesses on TikTok. So again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you get special discounts or special promos if you're planning to set up your business on TikTok. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.